In this video, we're building a simple but powerful translation app using Python and Streamlit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a web-based tool that takes any text you type and instantly translates it into English, German, French, or Spanish. Before we start coding, we need to install the required modules. You can do that using two simple pip commands, one for Streamlit and one for the translation library. Since I've already installed them on my system, I won't run the commands again here, but if you're following along for the first time, make sure to install them so your app runs smoothly. After that, we create our translator object by writing the line where we initialize the translator. Then we add the title of our web application, which appears at the top of the Streamlit page. And right below that, we add a text area. This is where the user will type or paste the sentence they want to translate. It's really simple, but it's the core of the entire app. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and run the app to see what it looks like so far. You can start the Streamlit server using its run command, and you should immediately see your title and the text box on the page. It's already starting to come together. Next, we need to give the user options for which language they want to translate into. For that, we create a dictionary of languages and their codes, English, German, French, and Spanish, and then we display these options using a select box. This allows the user to pick the target language from a simple drop-down list. Let's run the app again to check our progress. Now you should see the language selector right under the text area, which means our interface is shaping up exactly the way we want. Now we add the final piece, the Translate button. When the user clicks this button, the app checks whether they've actually entered any text. If the box is empty, we show a warning telling them to type something first. But if there is text, we send it to the translator and display the translated result on the screen. Once again, let's run the app to see it in action. You should now be able to type a phrase, choose a language, hit the button, and instantly see the translated version appear. And to demonstrate, I'll take Hello World and translate it into all 4 languages, one by one. It's always fun to see how quickly it responds. And don't worry if you're new to Python or if Streamlit is completely unfamiliar to you. In the courses section, you'll find plenty of free Python tutorials that can help you get comfortable with both the language and the tools we use here. If you'd like to support the channel, feel free to join or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning.